Hello, camera, YouTube people, boy and girls, and old people like me. Today I have a 2007 F150 with the 5.4 V8 and a four-wheel drive. They were saying that when you drive, got a noise. So let's go test ride to see what's up. Put my seatbelts on. Make sure I don't get citation. Not about safety, but it's a citation. Who care about my life? But you know, they do care about my life. I don't care. Just kidding. Alright, let's go test ride. And you can hear the humming noise already, a little bit, when you go at about 25, 30. Let's go a little bit more. Hear that? When you put on the left, and that create more noise. See that? See that? When you do on the right side, it doesn't. So I assuming that the driver's side bearing is making that noise. When you put on the left, it's gonna stop, but you put on the right and create more noise. So that is, I would say that is the driver's side bearing. And let's go find out. So this Ford is a 200,000 miles and only bearing's bad. So that means it's a good truck, huh? 2007 and first time bearing's bad. So it's run forever. People always tell me FORD, found on the road dead. Actually Ford is running good. Just kidding. They do too much advertising. Ford always beat Chevy, Dodge, Toyota, all that stuff, you know. So, hey, actually, when you see a Ford running over 200,000 miles, impressive. Just have fun. Another term for FORD is fix or repair daily. So they haven't bring to me that often, so that means it's a good truck. Buy some more. Normally when you test, you're not too sure where it's coming from, and if the bearing is bad, so bad that have a lot of play, and you push your hand to the bottom and top and seize it, and you should hear the difference. You see that? That's a lot of play, you know. So you can tell that, okay, that's bearing's bad. Now let's go try the other side to see it's like that. So if a bearing like the other one, and you do sizzle, then you have to play like the other side. So this side, this one is like the upper control arm making that noise only. Okay. So it's not the bearing actually on that. If you do a sizzle, you can see the other one is differently than this one right here. So definitely that bearing is pretty bad. Okay. If you don't want to take the tie rods out, you have only like a manual tool only, and you want to put your regular ratchets in the back here, you don't need to take this tie rods out because plenty of room in the back here. You can see right here. Okay. Now, if you want to use the air tool, any like that, or cordless tool, then remove the tie rod and you can swivel this around and using air tool to do your work faster. Okay. So I will take this out because it's not that difficult to take them out. Let me find the right socket for that. Actually the same as lug nuts, which is 21. Okay, so that's came off. Take out this wheel sensor The new bearing come with the wheel sensor and all that stuff, so you don't have to worry about you're gonna break these things off. I'm gonna pry my rubber to open a little bit, so I will have easier to slide that one's in. So what size the socket on here? That's 18, I think. Yep, it's 18. To take out this bolt here, both sides, the bottom and the top. Prepare with the hanger. If you don't have a hanger, I got this from 99-cent store, so which is doing the work. You don't have to be buying a so expensive stuff. Just buy something cheap and they work as good as brand name. Okay, or you can bend yourself a piece of metal. There, socket number 13. There. Not too bad. You come out. Okay. Don't worry too much. About the sensor, because the new one have the sensor cable, everything coming with already. So just unplug from here. There. Take out these two bolts back here. Just swing to the other side, so I can have room to take out the upper one. Okay, you can play around with it. You can hammer with it. They should come out pretty easy. See that? There. You know, I wish every manufacturer make bearings simple like this for truck, car, all that stuff. When people making easy like this, we can do it at home so easy. You don't have to use press or anything like that. See how much play? See that? That's making so much noise. And all the bearing inside here, you can see they kind of like run with nothing right now. And they do come with everything, just like the OEM. See that? And 2-year warranty on this. The back here looks very similar, looks the same. Okay, on this here they don't have left or right side, which is left and right work the same, so it doesn't matter which one you buy. They all, you can put it either passenger side or driver side. Here kind of like rust and dirty. I'm going to spray a little bit on my rust on it and sand a little bit outside here to make sure I get the rust out. I use 200 sandpaper to sand right here. Sand a little bit down here to make sure all this rust has come out, so you put, when you put the new ones in, it goes smoothly. To get the grease lubricate right here a little bit. You don't have to, because this side just nothing to work like bearing or anything like that. So wipe it out, all this nasty stuff first. Loop a little bit shaft right here. To get the shaft is some smoothly grease on it. The only way to put this in, you're looking at the sensor, okay? So when the sensor there, just make sure the sensor is straight to that sensor space right there, and slowly slide in. Okay, and then just put your screw in the back here to hold it. Okay, slowly pull in by crisscross. Okay, let's torque that. So let's set my torque to 150 foot-pound. So pretty much on this one's a max. So I have 150 max on this right here. It's a small one. Okay, this one. Okay. Top. Okay, that's good. Put this in. The little baby here, it's only 20. Okay, that's it. It doesn't want to go because whatever. It keeps spinning. Okay, that's good. Put the little cap back up, tap it. That's good enough. Okay, that's it. No more play. Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.